This week I made pickled turnips just like the ones I get at the Syrian food truck in my city. Pickles are just one of those things that feel so impressive to make from scratch, but they're so simple. So for this recipe, we're using a couple turnips and 1 beet to give the whole thing that beautiful pink color. I like slicing my turnips and beets into these stick shapes, but I've seen this recipe also done where people slice the beets into rounds so that you can still tell them apart from the turnips when everything's done. Once the veggies are prepped, we add them to our sterilized jars, in addition to some salt and whole peppercorns. And from there, we're going to cover everything with equal parts water and vinegar. And it's really important to cover the veggies completely in your jars with this liquid. Once that's done, you can go ahead and seal your jars really well. I love using these black jars because they're just so easy and clean every time. Then shake everything up really well, and you're gonna let these sit on your countertop for 5 to 7 days until they've reached a really beautiful deep red color like this. From there, you can store them in your fridge and enjoy whenever you want. They're super delicious with shawarma, in salads, as a little snack on their own. And the pink color is just so stunning. It's my favorite part. I love serving these on a meze platter, and they always are the star of the show. Enjoy!